Dear listeners and viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to make FCO. FCO is very familiar in Biofloc projects. Bioflocers have to make FCO to reduce their costings to purchase probiotics. At first, we have to know what is FCO. FCO stands for fermented carbon organ. Our fishes or shrimps take nitrogen bacteria. Nitrogen bacteria make the floxin which are used to eat for fishes or shrimps. At first, I have to take in some waters, and there we can see I have taken there 15 or 20 liters water in a container. You can see I have taken some water. Now I am stirring the water till the probiotic dissolved completely or properly with the water. Now I am sure that the probiotic is dissolved with the water completely and properly. So I am taking the water, mixing water to the bucket waters. Now I am taking some waters from the bucket to the raw salt, to mixing the salt with the water clearly and properly. I am stirring the water to make a dissolution of raw salt with the water. I have to stir the whole water till the raw salt dissolved with the water clearly and completely and properly. Now I am sure that the raw salt are clearly or properly dissolved with the water. Now I'm taking the water of raw salt to our main bucket. Dear viewer and listeners, it's time to take molasses to the main bucket. Now I am giving there some water from the main bucket and I'm stirring the water in the same way to dissolve the molasses with the water completely. Whenever I will be sure that the molasses are completely dissolved with the water, then I should take the molasses to the main bucket. Dear viewers and listeners, it's the process of mixing all of elements of making a process of FCO. Now I have to arrange a system to make aeration with a bucket or container continuously. You can see there is a aeration motor. Now I am turn on the aeration motor. In this way, you have to continue the aeration until the flow is ready. Generally, it takes to complete the FCO making process 48 to 72 hours. After 48 to 72 hours, the flow will be ready to use to your fish tank or to your shrimp tank. My dear viewers and listeners, it is the whole process of making FCO. If you have any confusion or if you have any questions about the Biofloc process, please make a comment below the description box on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.